One-Step Edge, a cloud-in-the-box type of product that allows you to build, manage, and offer your own cloud service. Scalable at every stage, it is designed to support latency-sensitive applications while providing the efficiency of central orchestration. What you see here is the interface of One-Step Cloud. One-Step Cloud is a fully functional product and proof of concept for One-Step Edge. Let's suppose I'm an administrator. I work for a company with many branches, most of which are using systems operating in the cloud. By the term branch, I can mean a maintenance-free parking lot as well as a small office in the suburbs. My job is to ensure the efficient operation of any system in every one of these locations. The interface you see allows for central orchestration of all companies' branches. I can centrally and remotely manage virtual machines without having to access each one of them separately. And that saves me a lot of time and effort. From my perspective, it is also important to have a sort of bird's view over all the machines I am responsible for. The machine itself I create in just a few clicks. Then it can be configured for any application or data that need to be placed there. The machine can also be created from a template. In One-Step Cloud interface, these templates are called products. Products contain predefined configurations of a few popular apps, such as WordPress. When everything is prepared, I can grant access to the machine to any user in my organization, in any way I choose, here. I can also connect the infrastructure to physical servers, optionally with specialized equipment. In the latter case, I just click and order a dedicated machine. This is another example of central orchestration for physical infrastructure. The machines, whether dedicated or virtual, can serve as an environment for example, databases, web servers, mail servers, identity management, and any other applications. The One-Step Cloud portal allows me to orchestrate and manage these machines centrally. That also includes the case of them operating in regions. By region, I mean geographically separated clusters of cloud infrastructure. It is an extensive infrastructure with many points of presence in a large factory, city, state, or even different countries. Each region has its own cloud resources. I can manage those resources and assign them to users. Virtual machines on which services and applications operate can be created within those regions. Regions are separated from each other within the network, but can be managed centrally. There's no need to log into each one individually. Using this interface, I can freely manage the entire network environment of any region. Say I want to add additional public addresses. All I need to do is just click the correct button. In this tab, I manage and define all possible virtual networks that are used to connect my virtual machines. I can connect multiple machines to multiple networks that segment into the internal network of this particular environment. To be able to connect to services on virtual machines, I can use a VPN connection or create so-called NAT mapping. Thanks to this, I can connect the service provided at the selected public address. In simple mode, choosing a machine, I only specify what kinds of services I need to be active here. In advanced mode, I can configure NAT mapping for ports and protocols, as in a regular router which is an edge device. From the interface level, I can also choose the payment method for the cloud service and monitor its consumption in real time. I see the summary of costs in a graphical view and can look into the details of each of them. I can also see what the consumption looked like over the last 24 hours, the weekend, entire month. We can pay for the service in several ways. The card payments the system is provided by Authorize.net, a trusted American company that is an official partner of Visa. I can also use the code received from the vendor to top up my prepaid account. Here, I can manage the accounts of all users and my own. I manage user permissions by adding and subtracting the specified permissions. The permissions apply to all menu functionalities. So, for example, our accountant may have a full payment preview, but without access to the machines. A user panel is also a place where, when needing special solutions, I can send a request to the vendor for additional resources. I have a form in which I can click Send Request and add a message or note if I need to. The same goes for requests for an additional operating system or console access to my virtual machines. If you would like to learn more about the possibilities One-Step Edge can give, write us a message at sales@onestepcloud.com.